Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Ethiopian lentil stew. So let's get started. First I'm melting my ghee or clarified butter in a saucepan, and then I add my onions. For this recipe I like to blend my onions because I don't like to have large chunks. I like it to be quite smooth. Then I allow my onions to cook for about 5 minutes or so, just before they start to go golden. Now I'm going to add in my garlic until fragrant for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add in my chopped tomato. I used 1 large tomato for this recipe. Then I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of the Ethiopian spice. If this is your first time doing this recipe, I would recommend maybe using 1 tablespoon just because it's quite spicy, and obviously I don't know your spice tolerance, but usually they do have this recipe quite spicy. Now I'm adding in tomato paste. This tomato paste is concentrated just to help enhance the flavour. Now I'm adding in my stock. I used 1 litre of stock, and now I'm adding in roughly 1 cup of lentils, and make sure you wash your lentils first. Bring the mixture to a boil and then simmer for 30 minutes. Add additional water in between if the mixture starts to stick. Then you should be left with something that looks like this. This lentil stew is now completed. It's great to have with some injera or any kind of bread that you have. Let me know if you have done the recipe and if you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.